Tuloy-tuloy na nga ang digital era sa mga tanggapan ng pamahalaan. Ito po ay matapos ibida ng Philippine Statistics Authority o PSA ang bagong e-certificate service feature sa kanilang website.
Inilunsad na ng Philippine Statistics Authority at Pilipinas Teleserve ang PSA e-certificate service sa pamamagitan ng psahelpline.ph ngayong araw, alinsunod sa digital transformation goal ng ahensya. Ang civil registry documents gaya ng birth, death, marriage certificate at SENOMAR ay maaari ng magkaroon ng digital copy. Kailangan lamang pumunta sa psahelpline.ph para makapag-apply ng dokumento. Makikipag-ugnayan naman ng PSA sa iba't ibang institusyon para sa opisyal na paggamit ng e-certificates.
We'll be having more launches. We'll be particularly targeting the stakeholders like the schools, the corporations, some institutions to make them aware that this exists and to make them aware that it can be relevant to their processes and they can adapt to this.
Siniguro rin ng PSA na ia-adapt o tatanggapin ng ibang mga ahensya o institusyon ang e-certificate documents para hindi na maulit ang naging problema ng publiko sa e-copy ng national ID.
Right now we have 84 outlets, so they can line up, but with the e-cert, they do not have to line up. So it's another option, and it's the way to go. We go digital using the PSA e-cert.
Mas tipid sa oras at mas tipid sa gastos.
Matipid sa oras because hindi ka napupunta sa mga outlets physically, you don't have to line up, you don't have to commute. So maraming masisave na time. So like for example, employees, you do not have to travel and be absent from work. You have to just, at the tip of your finger, you can already apply for your e-cert. And ang importante din dito, aside from being digital, you go green, no? Sinabi rin kanina that we also become friendly to our environment. Kasi hindi na tayo magko-commute o hindi na tayo gagamit ng ating sasakyan. So less carbon footprint ang ating objective.
Ma'am, can you give us a use case example? Halimbawa, pag nag-a-apply ng trabaho, pag nag-enroll sa school, ano mga use case examples natin?
That's our objective now. We want the institutions to also avail of the e-cert, but we have to come up with institutional arrangements. Like now, at present, we already have the AFP. They avail of the e-certificate already. So, nagbe-verify na nila yon because this certificate, secured yan. Secured. So, we are banking on, we have the PIA, yung Privacy Impact Assessment. We also have the Vulnerability Assessment. Nag-undergo lahat yan. And then, of course, yung liveness check. So, yun, parang credibility yun and trust na binibigay ng ating service.